friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I'm a Saint Beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty. And here on my channel, I talk about a variety of different things, mostly related to skincare, makeup, lifestyle, mid-size fashion, pretty much anything and under the sun. I am a full-time working mama in the corporate world and I do YouTube on the side. Basically, what I try to do is share products, things that I come across that work or do not work for me, that I can help you maybe figure out if it will work for you. So this is part 2 of my product Empties. I did a part 1, which is beauty and makeup, but I just had so much stuff. I don't know if it's just, maybe I skipped a quarter or something, but I just had so much stuff that I was like, there's no way that I'm gonna be able to do it in one video. So I'm splitting them up. So this video is my hair. So if you guys don't know, I am a Monat brand partner. I say Monet. It's not Monet, it's Monat. Monat. I always say it wrong. I think it's just fancier when you say Monet. But I've been a brand partner for almost a year now. I have used the Monat products for 3 years. I used them previously. I did a video. I will link that down below in case you're interested. I really like the products, kind of went to different things. Then I came back to it and have solely used Monat products for at least 2 years, solid 2 years, if not longer. But I decided to become a brand partner last year because I really like talking about the products, and people would reach out and say, hey, where do I get the products? Or, you know, do you have a link that I can shop? And I was like, okay, well, I'm already sharing the products. Might as well partner with the brand because I really do like the products. So let me go through the stuff that I have gone Empties and kind of talk through it. So the first one is the Volumizing Revive Shampoo. This is the one that I started off with. I use this every time I wash. I do not wash my hair every single day. This is the shampoo that allowed me to go from washing my hair every single day to now I wash it every 3, 4, sometimes even 5 days if I stretch it, if I'm not going to like anything fancy. I had horribly oily skin or oily scalp. I have very, very dry face, and then I would have an oily scalp. I wished my oil would move to my face so I could kind of neutralize it. It got so bad that when I would go to get my hair done, I would wash my hair in the morning, and by the time in the afternoon when I would go get my hair done, it was literally greasy, and my hairdresser was like, do we call them hairdressers anymore? I call them hairdressers. My hair lady, my hair guru, my hair magician, she was like, what oil did you put in my hair, put in your hair? And I'm like, that's my oil. She's like, oh my gosh. And I was like, I washed it this morning. It was so bad. This is the shampoo that caused me to go from every single day. It neutralized my scalp, so I didn't have the oily scalp anymore. And now I'm on this is day 2, so it's not too bad. I will get day 3, and then usually day 4, I'll put my hair up, and then I'll wash it on day 5. So that's usually my regimen. It has saved a whole bunch of product. It has saved a whole bunch of water. I still wash my body every day, but I just don't wash my hair. But it saved a whole bunch of water because I'm not washing it. So much time because I'm not having to blow dry it and restyle it and all that stuff. Can't tell you enough. This is amazing. If you have fine hair and you're looking for something volumizing, this is definitely going to be it. It's not going to weigh it down. It's going to neutralize your scalp because it does have the Rejuvenique oil in it. I will link it down below so you can figure out, so you can research what that is, but absolutely love this. Next is another shampoo. This is the IR Clinical Thickening Shampoo. This also has Rejuvenique, but it is specially formulated to reduce hair loss. So it's not necessarily going to make your hair thicker like the Revive one, or it's not going to make your hair more voluminous like the Revive one, but it's going to actually help where you don't reduce hair loss, so your hair is kind of thicker. When I normally do it, I will do my Revive on one washing, and then I will do my IR Clinical on the next washing. So I kind of get the best of both worlds. But I don't use this exclusively every single time I wash because I do like the Revive and the volume that it gives me. Now, I'll be honest, I've been doing my hair like this almost every time I wash it, and this creates its own volume. So I could probably do this every day and not have to, and I would still have the volume that I want my hair, but I just really like the Revive one. So I like that one. But I do mix this one in. We also have a conditioner, and that's sometimes what I do. And when I say I'm sometimes doing this, because I'm a brand partner, I like to try different things out. So I could say, hey, this works, or this might be better. So if you reach out to me and say, hey, I'm not exactly sure which one I should do, or can I do this combo? I've used it myself, And so I can say, oh yeah, that might work or that might not work. But I also have a huge community that I can go back to and say, hey, if you have curly hair, which one do you recommend? Do you recommend this combo? So that's the benefit of working with a brand partner, is that I can give you my take if it's something that I've tried, but then also I have a huge community that I can get firsthand experience on. But that's why I kind of mix and mingle it, because I want to be able to tell you guys what the product does and what it has done for me. But I do like the conditioner, and a lot of times I'll do the Revive shampoo, the one I just showed you, and then the IR conditioner. So you can pretty much do it however you want. The other thing that I love is the Monat Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Spray. So because I do have fine hair, I tend to have very frizzy hair. You can see here, it always, like, this is second day hair and I sleep like a maniac. So that's just the way it's going to be. But I really, really like this, especially when I have my blunt bob and I wanted that sleek, smooth kind of finish. This I will wash my hair, and then right before I blow dry it, I'll put this in. It does have heat protectant in it, so you don't have to put another product in, but it just really helped to kind of smooth out the cuticle of your hair. I noticed less flyaways, I noticed less static, and I saw less frizz. So I really, really like this. I'm currently out and I am missing it. That's probably why it's so frizzy right now, but absolutely love this. But like I said, because it does have that heat protecting in it, I liked it, so I'm, not frying my hair when I'm blow drying it. So the next thing is dry shampoo. This is the Dry Champ dry shampoo. Oh, they changed the bottle because they're two different, but they work the same. The same thing is, this is my ride or die dry shampoo. I use nothing else. I used to use the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day dry shampoo, and I still really like that one. But the problem with it is so thick. I would sit there at the end of the day and go like this and just get scrape of scalp, or like the white cast, because it just comes out like a trumpet or something, like a fire extinguisher in your hair. And so then I would, because I like mess with my hair and I like scratch my scalp. I don't have lice, I don't have anything, but I have itchy skin. Like, I'm an itchy kind of person. I'm prone to eczema. I've got this like huge flare up on my arm right here. Like, I'm just an itchy kind of person. So I will sometimes go like this, and then I would go into my look at my nails, and I would have this like white powder stuff, because it just comes out literally like a fire extinguisher. I use the dry shampoo today. Nothing. Like, my fingernails are weird looking, but nothing. Like, there's no white cast or whatever. That's what I love about it. It also has Rejuvenate oil in it, so you're gonna get all the benefits of that. And it revives, refreshes, conditions. It smells good. It doesn't have any of the bad stuff, so you don't have to worry about breathing it in. Absolutely love the stuff. It is the only dry shampoo that I use. When I'm out, I literally am like, I do not know what I'm going to do. But if you're looking for an awesome dry shampoo, it's going to give you volume. It's going to condition your hair, cleanse your hair, refresh your hair. This is definitely where you need to shop at. So I will link all those down below. That was my monthly, or not monthly, my product empties for whatever quarter. I'm just gonna say Q4 quarter. But I will have everything down below. If you have any questions, if you are interested in Monat products, if you're not sure, hit me up, let me know. Let's have a conversation. I promise you I'm not gonna spam you. I promise you I'm not gonna hound you. I'm just going to give you information, and you do whatever you feel is necessary for your life. And if you decide I'm not going to do it right now, more power to you. I will be here when and if you're ready to make a purchase. So if I can do anything to help you, let me know. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Until next time, bye.